In this video I'm going on a boat tour in the magical backwaters of Kerala. However, the worst nightmare of a YouTuber happened. I lost most of my footage, so it will be a really short video. I was actually hesitating to even publish this video, but I think it's justified because of the magical beauty of this place. So at least give you a glimpse what does it look like on the backwaters of Kerala. Then we stopped by one of the villages where we witnessed some demonstration such as rope making and some other activities. They used to do it back in the day. It was really interesting, really enjoyable tour. If you're ever in Kerala, it's a must do. Then time has come. Last night in Kochi, for the last time I went for a walk at Fort Kochi Esplanade, had some delicious dinner, and then it was time to move on. The next morning, catching a flight to Goa. So I hope this is not goodbye, but rather see you later, Kochi.